Hey guys, I will show you the 3 best apps which pay real PayPal money and you can start earning money today. You only need your phone and access to the internet to start making money, but before we get started, make sure to subscribe to my channel and activate the bell if you want to see daily videos about how you can earn money online. If you use every single app you can earn up to $80 a day for basically doing nothing, and in the end, I am going to show a secret way to earn even more PayPal money with one of these apps. Rank number 3 is a mobile app which pays you between 10 cents and $15 for every survey you take. I will reveal the name of the app later. One survey takes between 1 and 5 minutes. So you can earn up to $15 every 10 minutes with this survey app. It doesn't matter in which country you live or how old you are. You can earn money everywhere and anytime if you need some extra cash. And the best thing is, if you take around 10 surveys per day, you can earn up to $80 per day. As a payment method you can use your PayPal account, bank account, or if you don't have any of these, they also pay you with many different gift cards like Amazon or Play Store. The name of this secret app is Add-a-Poll. You can download it on Android and iOS phones. Rank number 2 is a free app which gives you money for every steps you walk every day. That means, if you walk 1,000 steps they will give you a big amount of coins in the app and you can spend them on cool products. For example, gift cards or electronic devices like phones or PlayStation controllers. I earned today over $15 with this app just by meeting up with my friends and walking through the city, and you can also do that. They don't have any limit, that means you can take as much steps as you want and earn as much money as you want. This app works on Android and iOS and the best thing is, you get money for walking, that means you get paid to stay healthy. The name of the app is Swagcoin. You can download it on your mobile phone in every country worldwide. Rank number 1 is the best app to earn money online by far. You can get paid for watching videos, playing games and taking surveys. I will tell you the name of the app in the end. But now, I will show you the easiest way to earn money with this app. As you can see on my screen there are many different offers to make money, but I will show you the first offer. You just have to download this game on your mobile phone and you must play this game for 2 days. After that, they will give you 3,000 coins, and if we go to rewards, you can see that you can buy a $25 PayPal or Amazon gift card with this amount of coins. But now, I will show you a secret hack, which will guarantee another $25 gift card per day. You only have to click on this button and you will see all the surveys you can take. As you can see they pay you 25 coins for every survey that takes about 1 minute. That means, you can do this 60 times per hour, and if you take surveys for 2 hours a day, you get 3,000 coins. And this is exactly a $25 PayPal gift card. The name of this app is Swagbucks, and it is available in every country worldwide. You can download it on Android, iOS and on every computer. And guys, if you have any questions to one of these apps, ask me in the comments down below. I will reply a few minutes later and help you to make the most money with your mobile phones. Until that, see you at the next video.